Today I am sharing 5 meal prep tips you can do in 15 minutes. Not your typical make everything on a conveyor belt and eat the same thing every day meal prep. No. These 5 tips are going to revolutionize your entire week in the kitchen and help you cook deliciously every day. I'm Yvette Perry Banks, the virtual godmother. I'm here to share the art of everyday cozy cooking, prioritizing self-care and joyful living. Welcome to my nurturing haven. Let's talk meats. So you're going to just take 2 or 3 meats out of the freezer. Any meat, beef, chicken, sausage, turkey chop, whatever you can grab, and just pop them in the fridge. This way, they're going to be ready when you need them, and you won't find yourself in a last-minute defrosting frenzy. Cooking rice can sometimes feel like a chore, right? But what if I told you that you can cook a big batch of rice in just 10 minutes, right in your microwave? I use jasmine rice. I rinse it, I add everything to a microwave-safe bowl, and then I cover it with a tea towel. You will thank me later for that. And then I cook it on high for 10 minutes. Now, if your microwave is a lower wattage, you might need to add 2 to 3 minutes to that. You can also do potatoes instead of rice. You'll just clean them and slice them and leave the peels on. Nobody wants to peel potatoes when they're meal prepping. Like, leave the peeling on. And then you can just put the potatoes in water with a little lemon juice or a little white vinegar, and they'll stay happy and fresh for a few days without turning brown. You're welcome. A quick fridge inventory is essential. So you're going to take a quick peek into your refrigerator to see what is hiding in there. What meats do you already have in there? What veggies do you have? What is about to go bad? You'd be surprised how many meals you can whip up with what's already in your fridge. Let's talk about veggies. I am all about quick and easy, so I often will prep a batch of versatile veggies like onions or red peppers, green peppers, mushrooms. There's always something you can do with onions, peppers, and mushrooms. Like literally the possibilities are endless. I added them to cowboy beans. Oh gosh, those cowboy beans were so good. I also did spaghetti squash with sausage and peppers. I did a chicken dish. Listen, trust me on this. You will be thrilled to have these veggies pre-chopped and ready to go. I like to use deli containers. They're cheap and they don't take up a lot of space. I'll link to the ones I use in the description box below. Finally, as you're cutting those veggies, take a moment to mentally plan a few meals. What can you create with what's in front of you and the meats you took out? Some of the things that you noticed in the fridge. Was there something going bad? You don't have to get married to any of the dishes right now. You're just making a mental note. Then you're going to grab that rice from the microwave, pop it in the fridge, and get on with enjoying your day. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you are not. It really supports my channel. Hit that notification bell so you'll never miss out on any of our cozy adventures. I'm going to be praying for you, and I'll see you in the next one.